Hey guys, Nico from the Superwhisper office here in Toronto, and we're going to take a moment to walk you through the new CLI and MCP feature that we just released the other day. So let's hop over to my screen and take a look through it. So first thing, you can head over to our website, superwhisper.com/CLI, aptly named, and go ahead and copy this into your terminal of choice. So I'll go ahead and open Ghosty here and paste that in. Let that run for a second. And now it's installed. So what we can do is we can pop open the Superwhisper prompt here, and we can go /help, and here we are. So we have a few commands here that you can play around with. And what we'll walk you through here are just some cool things that I've done already to use my transcriptions in my daily workflow. So with Superwhisper, one of the cool things you can do off the bat is just run your stats, get a quick view of how often you've been using Superwhisper, the number of words, and things like that. You can also pull down your Superwhisper history, so any transcriptions, any meeting recordings, or anything like that. Really, we're giving you all of your transcription data at your fingertips to work into your workflow wherever that makes sense for you. So here are a few examples. What we can do first is open up a new Claude session. This works as well in Codex or Pi with any of the state-of-the-art or local models you want to run. And because it's on the CLI, we don't need to run the MCP. You can if you'd like to, but in this case, Claude is really good just working straight with the CLI, so we can go off of that. And we'll say use Superwhisper to recommend new dictionary and vocab items from the last week of recordings. And we'll see what it comes up with. So as this is running in the background, we're essentially asking Claude to look through all of my dictations the last week and then use that to enrich my vocabulary on Superwhisper. And so it will update by editing or adding or removing new terms from my snippets and library. So we're really giving Claude the opportunity to enrich and improve our Superwhisper instance based on my previous activity. Looks like we have 34 new terms. Awesome. So looks like it's grabbed a few different names here. And because we're using the Superwhisper Claude Code plugin, we have this nice pop-up here with the options. So if I had this closed in a different window, this would still pop up and I'd have access to that. Very nice. So we got some names here, a few different tax terms that are getting expanded. Awesome. So it's gone ahead and added all 12 high confidence terms back to my Superwhisper vocab. And so if I hop into Superwhisper now and go to my vocabulary, you can see a whole bunch of new words added here. We can also do that with snippets and replacements when you start to use them a little bit more often. The beauty of this CLI is it gives you the flexibility to take the words that you've dictated and the meetings you've recorded on Superwhisper and bring them over into your agentic workflows, whatever that means for you. All of the data and the vocabulary items and dictations are available on your local computer, making it really easy for you to move them around and incorporate them into your local or even cloud workflows if you'd want to push them out there. So that's been the Superwhisper CLI. We're really excited to get your feedback and see how you use it in your own workflows. If you have any feedback, feel free to join us on our Discord, send us an email, or hit us up on Twitter. So appreciate it.